Hello everyone, happy Monday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I am back again today with another haul. You would not believe how much patience it has taken me, guys. I have had this package sitting here waiting for me for a week. And every single day before I work out, it's just like calling my name, like asking me to try her on, and I haven't been able to because I need you guys to be the first ones to see this live and in action. So I've waited a week. I'm super excited. What is it, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. It is the White Fox Boutique Sarah's Day collection, part of the collection. I got 2 pairs of shorts, 2 sets of bras, and 1 t-shirt. The first set is in pink sunset. The second is in midnight camo, and I got the t-shirt in the pink sunset as well. So it's 2 full outfits basically. And I have bought from Sarah's Day's White Fox Boutique collection in the past. I bought from her first collection back in like 2018, 2019 or something. And it was okay. Like the designs were cute. I liked it. I wore it, but I wasn't obsessed. However, I have started noticing that this apartment gets balmy when it's warm. Like it's not even summer and it's already kind of hot in here. I'm sweating right now. And so I don't know how much longer I can keep working out in like full-length leggings. So I've been on the hunt for shorts. And I love Aloe, but they are slacking a little bit in the shorts department. Like they need some more variety in there. But in any case, in the meantime, I have been shopping online, as you do, for some biker shorts to see if there are any that I really love. And I've heard great things about Sarah's Day's collection, so we're gonna give it a try. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first sizing, as usual, I got an M in everything. I found that White Fox Boutique does run a little bit smaller than Aloe, so the M worked for me perfectly when I bought from the last collection, and I'm hoping the same will be the case again. Okay, dokie. All right, here's the outfit. This is the one in pink sunset. Super cute design and really comfortable. I like the feel, except this waistband. It has a seam here. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I am not a fan of things that have like a thing right here. It digs in. But everything else is really comfy. This is really distracting. Like this part of the leggings is cute. No camel going on. And it is squat proof, I think. So that's good. It's like lightly ribbed, if you can see. So it has quite good stretch. And the bra is also cute. The bra is also ribbed. But yeah, it's cute. And the back is cute. It feels supportive. Like I can jump up and down, no problem. I just really don't like that seam there. Okay, another thing I'm not loving is all this garbage. Like there's all these like paper things in between the shirts and it's too much. Anyways, this is the shirt and I look like I'm literally drowning. I think it's too big. It is an oversized shirt, so I probably could have done with a small. Maybe I can like tie it and then it can be like more of a vibe. I don't know. Okay, guys, size down in the oversized shirt. Basically, my favorite of this set so far is the bra, I guess, because there's no issues with it and it's pretty comfortable and stretchy and nice. We'll have to see how it does while working out. I like the low scoop neck, and I love that the pads aren't gonna crumple up in the wash. I've been wearing these sunset biker shorts and this t-shirt most of this evening, and I'm actually kind of really liking it now. The t-shirt's very comfortable. I did some like dancing and a little bit of acro yoga type stuff and lounging. The shorts are also really comfortable. The sunset shorts are definitely like less digging in than the midnight camo ones. These are ribbed and like the material is just a lot more gentle, so I think that helps. I like it, and it's comfy actually. It still like does dig in a little bit, but feels a little bit better today. Maybe I'm less bloated, so I stand a little bit corrected. But I will say, if you are sensitive around the waist area, then get the pink sunset color over the midnight camo because it's a lot more comfy. All right, here we have the midnight camo. These ones are not ribbed. They're more like a sweat wicking, like airlift kind of Lululemon sort of type of material. So it's nice here, but it has the seam here once again, and it's just like digging into my stomach here, which is also not comfy, and it's just like not making me feel so great. It's also not like doing much for the bootay. Like, it looks quite flat at the moment. What is going on? I feel like it's not usually that flat. I'm bummed. I think that if you had like no fat here, then it wouldn't be as annoying, but like I don't think that's like a reasonable expectation to have for the majority of your audience. I really like the bra. Actually, wait, I didn't show you the back of the bra. This one has like a racer back situation with skinny straps at the top. It's black, so we're not gonna have any issues with squat proofness. That's fine. And the material is comfortable, the bra is comfortable, the pads are great. Mostly everything is great except for this seam, but maybe I can get used to it. So that was a 15-minute Justin Bieber dance party workout by MadFit, which I love. So it held up very well. It does rise up a little bit. I did feel the digging in at the waistband a little bit, but not too bad. Generally, it actually was good. The bra was perfect amount of support. I sweat, but there is no sweat marks. This material is like very sweat wicky. If you really hate the waistband digging in feeling, then I would get the pink sunset. If you much prefer like a very sweat wicking material, then I would opt for the midnight camo. Compared to her first collection, the material is much thinner. I had like 2 pairs of leggings, I think, from her first collection, and it just felt very thick and hot and like less easy peasy to put on. I like thin material that just feels like easy breezy to get on the body, off the body, especially when you're sweaty. Yeah, so that held up well. That is it for the midnight camo. I do have another haul coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope this helped. I hope that I am helping you to make your shopping decisions. Well, let me know what you guys liked from this collection. If you have anything from Sarah's Days collection on White Fox Boutique, what your thoughts were. If you had the same experience with the freaking waistband, let me know that I'm not alone. I hope this is helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!